Hey everyone, it is me, Anthony Jones, and today I've got another exciting unboxing for you guys. Today I'm going to be unboxing the i10 TWS Airpods, a clone of the Apple Airpods, and they're actually supposed to be one-on-one replicas to go with that, with some tweaks there and there to get away with the copyright laws. I got these sent over to me by the amazing people at thespinningdeal.com. I'll have a link down below to their website and the product. And right now, they are actually one of the most reliable sellers out there, one of the most. And they have a great price on them for $49.99. You can get these AirPods. And if you use code AMJ5 at checkout, you'll get 5% off your order, which is really, really cool and a really, really good deal. So without further ado though, let's actually get into the product. So before we do that, real quick, I do want to mention that beforehand I did have these. These are the Walmart Sound Mates. You may have seen them if you've been to Walmart lately, but they are basically a Apple AirPod alternative clone type of deal thing. I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, these are actually the i8s from China that they just rebranded. But so far, from what I can tell, the sound quality isn't as great as most headphones and nowhere close to Apple headphones as well. And as well, one of the things that I do not like about these is the flashing LED lights. That's my biggest pet peeve. If those were on there, realistically, I could care less about these, and realistically, I just bought them because they were a cheap pair of wireless earbuds, and that's what I needed at the time. So let's get away from those and let's actually get into the i10s. I'm hoping that most of those, and from what I've seen, most of those things have been changed with these. So as we could see with the box, they went really all out in trying to look like the real thing, with the box size being really close, I think a little bit smaller than the real thing. And the only real difference on the front being that says i10 TWS. On the sides, you can see that they took off the Apple branding, of course, because of copyrights. They actually put the i10s in their charging cable on the back, and it also says made in China on the back. So that's just the box though, so let's actually get into unpackaging. When we open the lid, we are greeted with a user manual for the i10s, and here, let me move this over so you can see this. This is a pretty lengthy user manual, front side being English and the back being Chinese writing, but as you can see, pretty lengthy user manual. But one of the things that is really cool about these AirPods that the real Apple AirPods do not have is wireless charging, which is crazy that the real Apple AirPods do not have that, and these actually do, almost making them a little bit better than the Apple AirPods, if you could say. These also do have the touch functionalities, just like the real Apple AirPods. Some of the basic specs here are that it has a charging time of 1.5 hours, a music time of 3 hours, and a call time of 8 hours, so quite interesting. One other thing is that these do have Bluetooth 5.0, so really nice Bluetooth capabilities as well to go with that. So let's get back to the box, and once you take off the user manual, you're actually greeted with the AirPods themselves, the i10s. They have this little piece of plastic film on top of them. Take that off, kind of just like the actual Apple products, but move that off to the side, and there's the charging case. If we open up the lid, we are greeted with a USB Type-C charging cable, and yes, you heard me right, USB Type-C. Now, some of you might like that and some of you might not. Me being from a family of Android users, the USB Type-C cable is a great thing because we have a ton of these lying around, and you know, if we need one, we have access to them. Now, if you are an Apple user and you have a lot of lightning cables, I could see where the actual Apple AirPods could be better, but realistically, them coming with a charging cable is really nice. It's just that aspect of having the resources around if you do not have this cable with you. So Move that off to the side though. We have the actual case itself right here, which is the exact same size as the real Apple AirPods with some quirks there and there to get away with the copyright, as you can see. If I hold this up, you can see that it has a oval right there instead of the thin line like the real Apple AirPods. There's 4 LED indicators on the front. I'll get into those later actually. And the USB Type-C charging port, and as you can see on the back there is no button, no writing below the hinge, and the hinge actually looks almost identical, if not identical to the real thing. So far though, these look really, really cool and really, really close to the exact thing. Now, the LED indicators, I actually kind of like this feature because Android phones, most of them at least, do not have anything under the settings that shows the percentage of charge on your device. So this is actually really, really cool that this has this on the front, so then I know what my charge is on my AirPods. So let's open them up, and it's an actual magnetic kind of like hinging system, which is really nice, just like the real thing. And as you can see on the inside, they really, really took and made this look like the real thing when you open it up. So they actually even kept that little dot there. I don't think that does anything on these, but on the real Apple AirPods, that would be your light to tell if they're charging or not. So take one of the AirPods out, and wow, that's insane. Wow. These things are almost identical. That is insane. Now, some of the things that I did look up before making this video is that the one difference between, or the two differences I think between these and the Apple AirPods is that the font for the left and right is a little bit bolder, and I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be text on the bottom of the AirPod. I could be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure on the real thing there's text on the bottom. But so far, I mean, this is insane. From afar, you could not tell if these are real, and even up close, you probably can't even tell if these are real or fake. So that is amazing. Here, real quick, actually, I'm gonna bring in these right here and put those up beside them. That is hilarious how much bigger and fatter these are compared to this one, and the charging case being literally almost could engulf the i10s. So as you can see though, this is really, really cool. Here, let me put these in my ear actually, and wow, these fit really good. Wow, I did not expect them to fit as well as they did. The SoundMates felt like they were actually like almost stretching my ears, and these feel really nice and comfortable. Wow, that's nice. I did actually bring my EarPods to see if there's any things that are kind of like identical, and oh my goodness, that is insane. The yeah, here you can actually kind of see that the Apple AirPods, they are almost identical in size to the i10s when it comes to the ear portion. So that is really, really cool. So the sizing is almost identical. So here, actually, let me take and grab my phone real quick. So now I'm scanning for a Bluetooth device, and that is actually kind of funny. That's kind of funny right there. So if you cannot see that, it actually pops them up as AirPods. That is hilarious. So if you don't want to maybe show people the case and you want to make them think these are real AirPods, just show them your phone and it says AirPods on the Bluetooth device. That's hilarious actually that it says that. So that's kind of cool. All right, so here, I guess I'm just gonna maybe play some music real quick. So far from what I can tell, these actually sound really nice. They're actually kind of loud, and I had to turn my volume really, really down in order to listen to these the way I like to. And wow, that is insane how loud they actually can get. Let me try the touch functionality. And now they're playing, and I'm pretty sure if you double tap, it skips the track. Yep, it skips the track. Wow, that That is amazing right there. Pop that back in my ear and wow. This is insane. The sound quality as well is really, really good. Like so far, it's a nice clear sound and slightly bassy as well to go with that. Wow, that is really, really nice right there. That is insane, the quality that these are. Wow. Real quick, I do want to test one more thing. Oh, wow, that is insane. So let me pause that real quick. I was testing to see if there was any delay between the i10 and my phone, and there is no delay whatsoever between my mouth and the AirPods or AirPods. So here, real quick, let me just show you that working. Move this out of the way so you can actually see the whole entire thing. Wow, that is insane. Wow, that works so well. The last ones I had, they had a slight delay that was noticeable, and you can, like, you know, forget about it now and again and watch your videos, but when it comes to actually watching the videos and having no delay, that really makes a difference in the quality of watching videos and the listening aspect as well. So that is remarkable. They feel good, they sound good, and they work fantastic. That is insane. So far with my final thoughts on these, I do want to say I am really, really impressed. I am super duper impressed with how good these work, and it's just fantastic. I can't wait to actually use these because I'm gonna guarantee that I'm gonna use these every single day, and I can't wait to as well wear them in public and maybe see what people think of them, especially maybe at school, and see maybe if I can fool some people as well while I'm at it. But so far, I'm literally impressed with the quality of these. This is insane. And as well, I do want to mention some things. If you are an Android user and you want a pair of AirPods, I would say go with these. If you don't care about having the real thing, go with these if you're an Android user, because so far the experience with Android is phenomenal. Now, if you are an Apple user, I still would recommend these because of the price. Like seriously, the price for $50 and a 5% off discount, that is insane compared to the actual real Apple AirPods. Though, I would see why maybe you would go with them if you are an Apple user, with most of the connectivity being very good with Apple. These would be nowhere close to the W1 chip. I'm pretty sure it's a W1 chip in the Apple products, but still, Bluetooth 5.0 is working fantastic. So I could see where the Apple AirPods can work a little bit better with Apple products, but when it comes to using them on Android, there's realistically no difference. So wow, that is insane. I seriously want to thank the Spinning Deal for giving me these and to review to you guys, because this is seriously a fantastic product. I cannot say anything more about that. That is insane. Wow. So I guess I can't wait to actually use these. So thank you again for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, consider giving it a like. If you have any questions about the i10s, leave a comment down below. And if you like what you see with my channel, then consider subscribing. And if you want to see more of my videos, consider clicking the bell. Now, thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you with more videos in the future.